Hello friends, I am Prashanth. Welcome to Research Your Food Knowledge platform. In this video, I am going to talk about the health benefits of glucosamine for joint pain and inflammation. Let's get into the topic. Arthritis is nowadays a common condition that causes pain and inflammation in the joints. Glucosamine, a natural compound found in cartilage, is often used as a supplement to help manage arthritis symptoms. First of all, let's understand what is glucosamine. Glucosamine is a naturally occurring compound in the body, primarily found in cartilage. Cartilage is the flexible tissue that cushions joints. Glucosamine plays a crucial role in maintaining joint health by promoting the formation and repair of cartilage. It is available in various forms such as glucosamine sulfate, glucosamine hydrochloride, and N-acetyl glucosamine. This supplement is commonly derived from shellfish or made synthetically in laboratories. It is widely known for its use in managing symptoms of osteoarthritis and other joint disorders. Now let's look at the ways in which glucosamine benefits in case of arthritis. First of all, it reduces joint pain and stiffness. Glucosamine may help reduce the symptoms of osteoarthritis, particularly in the knees. It is believed to help rebuild cartilage and reduce inflammation, leading to less pain and stiffness. Many users report relief from chronic knee pain after taking glucosamine supplements regularly. Osteoarthritis generally results in the breakdown of cartilage of joints. Some studies suggest that glucosamine can slow this process, potentially preventing further joint damage. Glucosamine might be especially beneficial for those in the early stages of osteoarthritis. Glucosamine also improves joint mobility. By maintaining the health of cartilage and reducing inflammation, glucosamine may improve joint flexibility and range of motion. People taking glucosamine often report being able to move more freely and engage in activities they enjoy. For some people, glucosamine supplements may help manage symptoms sufficient enough to delay joint replacement surgery. Some patients use glucosamine as part of a broader management plan to avoid or postpone surgery. To conclude, glucosamine is a popular supplement used to help manage arthritis symptoms. It offers several benefits, including reducing joint pain and stiffness, slowing cartilage degradation, improving joint mobility, and potentially delaying the need for joint surgery. However, it is advisable to be aware of potential side effects and interactions with other medications. Hence, it is better to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking any other medications. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We hope to see you in our next video.